and I decided to try the curry goat patty that's done by Devon House Bakery. Today, I am actually in my old room back in Jamaica, and I decided to try the curry goat patty that's done by Devon House Bakery. Alright, so as you know, you have to have the cranberry water to wash it down, cranberry grape of course. It's quite a regular one, that's a regular cranberry after for grape. So for those who know, patty is a staple in the Jamaican society. I mean, everyone loves patty, and the regulars are beef, chicken, cheese as of late. And you have the soy and the veggie patty, and then you have the meatloaf. But the curry goat is something recent, maybe a year ago. And I'm going to show you the shape of it right now. This is what you call a gourmet pate. Can you see that beauty? Look at that. Right, so it's like a square. Usually the patties are round. So let's get bite into this and try. I've been waiting a year and a half for this. Alright. I haven't got the meat yet, wait. Well. Alright. Alright, those. Yeah. Food makes me happy. So you can tell my belly. As you can see, there's meat. There's steam coming out. Yeah, baby. Oh man, it's mad. Oh my god! You have to get real chunks of mutton or goat in here, and it's seasoned pretty well, not too spicy. I guess my sweat because it's hot. And yeah, I like it. I feel like when you get curry goat at school, or when you go to the roti shop and have curry goat and roti, you know, it's like a curry goat sandwich. Whoa. It's not like the Nepalese curry, which is thick. It's more Indian, like Caribbean, West Indian type curry. My God, look at, I am dying here. This is what life is about, food, man. So it's pretty good. I hope you guys, if you guys are in Jamaica or you visit Jamaica, make sure to have a curry goat patty. All right, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, hit comment, and share this video. Alright, pick up for yourself. PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber, eating curry goat patty in Jamaica while on vacation. PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. It gave a show! Actually, they're me out, so I'm happy. Vacation. You know what? You know, life is so funny. You come back to the yard and all this thing, and there's a damn food. Okay, at least go for it.